Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will do ColourPop unboxing video. So the first palette that I received is one of their latest collections in garden variety. Beautiful packaging. This is the palette. Absolutely stunning. You get so many different shades. Such a beautiful variety. You could use it all year round. You have your neutral golds, purple, peachy. You have a pop of green right here. Love this. Beautiful. The next palette that we have is from their, also one of their newer collection, Wild Nothing. This is more in the nude tone. It has some peach in it. Beautiful, beautiful palette. And none of them have glitter, which is amazing. This palette is older, but I just never got a chance to pick it up before. This is Good as Gold. This is stunning. Here you do get glitter. All in all, still it's a stunning, stunning palette. And the last palette that I got is Baby Got Peach. And you have all the peach undertones in here. One more thing from the Wild Nothing collection that I got is a blush in the shade Wafer. And that's what it looks like. I also got the full bead blending sponge kit. We'll be making a separate video on that, showing the difference, seeing how it applies product. And I got a lippy stick. This is the packaging. This one is in the color Brink. It's a matte finish. Hope it's not too deep. So to finish with an eyeshadows, I got some of their Super Shock shadows. I got this duo in Mercy Bouquet, and one of the shades is called Bloomer. That's the deeper one. And the lighter shade is in Day Trippin'. And then I got some from their regular line. So that's what the packaging looks like. We have a color Moonwalk. I think it's a duochrome. Depends on how you turn it. It goes from green to like a bronzy brown. The next shade is Millionaire. Beautiful, also bronzy color. The next shade is Amaze. A gold color. The next shade is called Set to Stun. This is like on the mauve side. Then we have Twitter Padded. And the last one is Sequin. Or sequin. So that's all for the shadows. Then I got their liquid foundation, the Pretty Fresh Hydrating Foundation in the shade Fair 20N. It has a nice pump. The bottle feels sturdy. And then I got the concealer in Pretty Fresh and the color Fear 07C, and that color is way too light. It's almost white. I found that it was a bit challenging to find the right shade online, but I'll be trying it on in my upcoming videos. So please stay tuned. We'll be trying all of that, applying it. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I'm looking forward to seeing you in my upcoming videos. Have a great day. Bye.